So guys, welcome. How you doing today? So we're going to learn how to connect our VS Code to our GitHub and our GitHub to our vessel, so you can be able to preview our code in real time. Yes, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends they can join this channel and become developers just like you. So do have a nice time. Let's start coding. Okay guys, welcome again. Today, how you doing? I love you guys, and that's why I drop all these updates for you guys to be a better programmer as you grow. So today we're going to learn how to connect our project to our GitHub repository. Let me come again. How to connect our project to our GitHub repository, so that we can be able to have these files saved somewhere in the cloud, safe. Even when anything happens to our system, we're not going to have any issues retrieving them back. Okay, so now I've already opened a folder here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to open with code. So I'm open with code now. So my VS Code is already running here by my right here. Then what I'm going to do next is, you see me now, I'm going to create two files, a CSS file, a HTML file. Okay, so now I'm going to come here. I'm going to click index.html. Okay, then I'm going to create our CSS file. Yes, I'm going to create our CSS file. Let me make this big. I'm going to create our CSS file. You click here to say what? Style.css. Okay, I have to rename that again. Just rename that style.css. Okay, so now I've created two important files here, our HTML file and our CSS file. Then what we're going to do next is we're going to create a project, a simple project. I'll show you how to upload it on GitHub and preview it on Vessel. No worry, I'm going to explain all that. So I'm going to quick shift number 1. Okay, that we call our boilerplate. So we have our boilerplate here. Now I'm going to put a random text or something. So I'm going to put, let's say, h1 testing and connecting to GitHub. Testing and connecting to GitHub. Okay, so now this is it. Then I want us to store it on GitHub and preview it on Vessel. So this now is our simple HTML that we have done. Okay, so let's go over to what? Previewing it, then showing it on what? On GitHub and what? Vessel. So over here, my browser is open. So if you don't have Git in your system, you have to go to Git download. So Git for Windows. So I'm using a Windows system, so just go for Git download. Just click on it, any link you see here. So once you click on it, it will prompt you to go down. So if you are Windows, you click on Windows to install. If you are Mac, you click on Mac to install. If you are Linux, you do the same. It's installed. If I click on it now, it will start with downloading. So I'm going to choose 64-bit of file. So see, now is downloading here already, but I already have this file on my system, so I'm going to cancel it. So once you've downloaded this Git, install it, then go over to what? GitHub. So on GitHub you have to create an account. Yes, it's very, very important. On GitHub you have to create an account. So I'm waiting for the GitHub login to pop up. So I'll log in and I'll create an account. So okay guys, so I'm logged in now to my GitHub account. So when you go to github.com, you create an account, then you want to log in. So once you are in your GitHub account, yes, this is my GitHub account, yes, then click on new. Okay, so then don't forget our HTML project is already here for us. We want to upload it on what? GitHub. Then go to your browser. After downloading your GitHub, your Git, then go to the website github.com, log in and create an account. So after you create an account, then click on new. That's why we are here. So now choose a new repository, choose a new name. I'm going to call it coding class. So I'm going to call it coding class. Now you can leave every other settings the same. Then click create repository. So now once we've created a repository, which is what we are already doing now, if you can see that, Now it's going to give us some prompts, some things we have to see. This stuff these are what we have to create for us to link our what HTML project to our GitHub account. Yes, so let's go over and do this. So coming to our VS code. Okay, so guys, listen up. So after I finish creating an account on GitHub, come over to your VS code. Do you see this account here? Click on this account button, then log in into your VS code with your GitHub account. They're going to ask you, do you want to log, how do you want to log in? Log in with your GitHub account. It will make it easy for you to be able to, any project you push from your VS code will go automatically into your GitHub. When you follow those, then you follow the next step I'm to show you. Are you with me? Coming to our VS code, we just minimize the screen so I can be able to see both on both sides. Okay, so right here now, I'm going to open the terminal. Okay, the what we call terminal. Terminal is what we use in programming to see, like just like a console. I'm going to open our terminal and run our git in that terminal. So how do we do that? You're going to click on this. You're going to come over here. Okay, sorry, I minimized my screen. Just come over here, go to terminal and click a new terminal. So look at, guys, a new terminal has been formed down here. Then is in this terminal we are going to what impute these steps that GitHub gave to us for us to connect our VS code to our GitHub account. Okay, then now let's go. First we're going to type, we're going to what, say git init. This first line, say git init. We press enter. Init means to start the process first. Okay, then we're going to go to next one, git add. Now at this point I'm going to add a dot. Now this dot means every file that is in this folder I want you to add to my GitHub repository. So just give it some moment. Added. So we're going to go to next, which is what, git commit. Now git commit, we're going to put it minus m. This is our first commit, right? So okay, so this is our first commit. Then you press what, enter. So guys, look, it has detected our files and it has detected the two files that are there. Okay, and it has given us the next step. So the next step we're going to do what is what, we're going to put git branch main, git branch main. So yeah, that one done. Now what you're going to do now next is what, come here, copy this link here. You're going to copy this link, copy, then go back to our git. Then now we're going to go back to our VS code. We're going to type git remote add origin. Okay, now git remote add origin, we're going to what, then paste the link we've gotten by just right clicking. Done, pasted, then press enter. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is what, git push u origin main. Good. So now, so guys, once this code runs, automatically we are connected our VS code project to our what, GitHub account. So good, successful. So now for you to know that it has been connected, what you're going to do is what, you refresh this your browser. Wow, guys, see, it has been connected. Those two files we created, the index and the what, CSS file, has been added to our GitHub account. Then how do we preview this on Vessel? Vessel is a channel whereby we can preview every code we've gotten from our GitHub. Now you're going to go to open another browser, type what, Vessel. Okay, so I'm going to click on Vessel login. Now you should have an account on Vessel. Also create an account on Vessel. Okay, so now what Vessel does is that it previews every project that we have on what, our GitHub. You're going to log in. Okay, so I'll prefer you log in. When you're logging into your what, Vessel, log in with your GitHub account. That's what I did. So now I'm logged in now inside my Vessel with my GitHub account. Okay, so they're going to ask you they'll ask you some few questions and you're going to get logged in. So at this point in time, I'm going to click on add new. Okay, I'm going to click on projects. Now under projects, I'm going to look at, do you see our coding class on our GitHub? This is our last project, coding class. So I'm going to what, import it. So guys, yeah, so this is Very, very simple as it is. Then just scroll down, leave everything the way it is. Let's deploy. So deploying our project on Vessel will make it at a preview. Okay, so once this marks good, we'll be good to go and view our website live. Yes, I mean live. You can even check it on your phone. Yes, so we're gonna do that ASAP. Good, guys. Can you see what I'm seeing here? Our project is being deployed. You see, testing and connecting to GitHub. Wow. So now, how are we going to get our live link so you can be able to preview it on any device that we have? So I'm going to click on continue to dashboard. Okay, so coding class has been deployed. Then do you see our link here? Coding class 5 meg Vessel app. So we're going to click on it. So it has taken us to our code. So guys, you see, I've successfully link our VS code. Okay, VS code to our GitHub account. Linked it from our GitHub account to our Vessel. So for Vessel, we have now previewed the website. So now let's check our phone device. Let's see if it has been deployed globally. So let us go to this. Once you go to this link, you can get access to this your website on any device at all. So guys, I'm on my phone now, so I want to type the website and see if I'm going to get the same website on my phone. Okay, please type it exactly so you can get access to the website. Okay, so guys, you see now our website is connected and it's previewing on my phone as we speak. So guys, follow to this tip, learn more, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm your guy Goodness, giving you updates on how to connect your project from VS Code to GitHub and finally to Vessel. Let's do some little changes and let's see if our code will reflect it, because we created a style CSS file. Let's see how we can make that CSS file work on our project. So going back to our code, I purposely leave this thing open so we can see it. Now here I want to also add some group of text, understand? So like a paragraph. So I'm going to click a paragraph. So this is a paragraph. I'm going to put lorem 50. Okay, now just a random word. I will format the document. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to style them. Okay, so let me style these two objects. So I'm going to go now. Before that, I have to link your CSS to your HTML by using link. Now / your styling, then go to your style. Then let's style the header and the paragraph. So now we are not seeing anything here. You know why? Because we have not pushed to our GitHub. Once we push to our GitHub, automatically we see changes here. So let's do that now before we add our styles. So if you want to push your new changes to your GitHub, what you're going to do now is git add. Yes, so we're going to git commit. Now we're going to give the message new updates. Enter. Okay, so I've added our new update. We're going to push, git push. So we're going to put git push. Now we're going to wait for the code that has been run. Then now I want you now to go back to this website you've pushed before, then refresh it. Just refresh it, don't do anything more. Guys, you see what we just put has just appeared. So now let us apply our styling. Now how we're going to do that now? We're going to put for h1, we want to style our h1. Our h1, we're going to style, let's say we're going to change the color of the text. We're going to say color should be red. So this is a change, we have not committed it yet. Then now we are going to change our paragraph towards green. The color should should be what? Green. So now let's commit and let's push. So we're going to come back here now. We're going to what? Say git add. Okay, they're going to put git commit -m, a new message, new updates. Okay, new updates. Okay, good. Then we're going to what? Git push. Perfect. So now once we've git pushed, then let's go back to our website and review. You see guys, you see it now. The build has been sent. Our text is red, our header is red, and our paragraph is green. So if you go to my phone, I've got to my phone now, so I'm going to refresh this one too. Wow, do you see that guys? The same thing happened on the phone. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share more to your friends. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.